In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Yahoo Mail email. If you need a paper copy of an important message, or you just want to save an email as a printable document, Yahoo Mail makes the process very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main mail screen, go to your inbox or whichever folder contains the email you want to print. This could be a sent item, a saved message, or any other email stored in your mailbox. Next, find the specific email you want to print and open it. It's important to fully open the message rather than just viewing it from the email list, because the print option is available from inside the message view. Take a quick moment to confirm that it's the correct email, especially if you're printing something important like an invoice, confirmation, or written conversation. After the email is open, look toward the top area of the message for the More Options icon. Click on that icon to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, select the print option. As soon as you do that, a print dialog box will appear on your screen. This is where you can configure your print settings before sending the email to your printer. Depending on your device and browser, you may be able to choose your printer, select the number of copies, adjust page orientation, decide whether to print in color or black and white, and review which pages will be included. If available, it's a good idea to use the preview section to make sure the email looks the way you want before printing. Once your settings are ready, click print. Your email will then be sent to the selected printer. And that's it. That's how to print a Yahoo Mail email. If you're doing this for records or documentation, it can help to double check the printed page afterward to make sure all message details appear clearly, including the subject line, sender information, and the full body of the email. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process quick and easy to follow.